In problem 2, we will be simplifying an expression with powers, which still involves simplifying a power raised to a power, as in the previous example. So this time around, we're going to start by bringing over this x to the power of 3. And then in the second part, we're raising x to the power of 2 to the power of 5. So I'll rewrite that in another color. We have x to the power of 2 to the power of 5, which, if you recall from the previous example, means we can multiply these two exponents. So that turns into x to the power of 3 times x to the power of, that becomes 10. And now this looks like problems from our previous lesson where we're multiplying two powers with the same base. So let's go ahead and add the exponents together. And 3 plus 10 is 13. So we end with x to the power of 13. Similarly, in part B, let's bring over the a to the power of 6. And we're multiplying that by a to the power of 4. To the power of negative 2 means we multiply this by negative 2. So we get a to the power of 6. And a to the power of 4 times negative 2 would be a to the power of negative 8. Let's go ahead and add our exponents together because we are multiplying powers with the same base. So we get a to the power of, what is 6 plus negative 8? That is negative 2. This takes us back to our lesson on negative exponents. Let's simplify this by moving this term down into the denominator. So we get 1 over a to the power of positive 2. In part C, we have y to the power of 4/9. And then we have this y, so times the y to the power of 1/3 to the power of 1/3, which means we're multiplying this 1/3 by the other 1/3. Let's bring over our y to the power of 4/9. And what is 1/3 times 1/3? 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Now to multiply these two powers, which have the same base, remember we're adding the exponents. 4/9 plus 1/9 is 5/9.